But you guys, today we're taking a look at Pause Windows 11 updates. Microsoft have just made them much easier to manage on Windows 11. Now, we all know that Windows 11 botched updates cause many problems to people, and people want to have the ability to be able to pause for longer than, say, 5 weeks. Now, there's always been a workaround which you can do to extend the pause period for Windows updates, but Microsoft previously promised it would give us users the option to pause Windows 11 updates for as long as we needed. And I think this is a great step forward for Microsoft because it gives people more control over Windows updates. So you can see here, this is the workaround that you can use right now, but there's no need to use this once Microsoft released this new feature to Windows 11 because you will be able to choose how long you want to pause updates for. So workarounds like this are not going to be necessary anymore because you'll be able to use the actual calendar which Microsoft are going to add into the paused update feature, which you can then choose how long you want to pause the updates for. So for instance, if you want them pause for longer periods of time, you can do. Now, how long this is going to be, we don't know yet because Microsoft have not disclosed how long of a period they're going to allow you to pause the updates for. But at least you have the option because you have this option and you're also going to have the legit way of doing it, which is the way that Microsoft are going to intend you to pause Windows updates in the future. So it's still early days, but it's hopeful, a sign that we will be able to soon be able to pause Windows updates. Now, for all those naysayers that said Microsoft are just trying to win people back over and promising you things they're never going to stick to, but Phantom of the Earth has actually tested this out on one of the insider builds. And you can see right here that it's going to allow you to pause these updates. Now, I did try to replicate this on a build of this nature, but I couldn't seem to get it to work. And maybe I have to be signed in to be able to show you this. But you can see right here on his image that it says there's a calendar right here once you enable this feature, which will be released to the general public very soon. And there it is right there, a calendar where you can choose how long you want to pause these updates for. So for all those people that had no faith in Microsoft whatsoever and just go in the comments section and just absolutely slam them for every single thing they do, you can actually see here that they are actually starting to be true to their word. They made a blog post about some of the changes that are coming to Windows, and the blog post was our commitment to Windows quality, and that's what they've said. They've been listening to their users, and they are now going to start making some serious changes to Windows 11. Now, I can understand some people just don't have much trust in Microsoft, and some of these people are just out-and-out trolls that just hate Microsoft, and the Linux users that just hate Windows completely. But there is people with general concerns about the direction where Windows 11 is going. But I do say that Microsoft have been true to their word and starting to make changes to Windows 11. And this is one of them that they were talking about on this blog post, where they were saying they were going to make changes to Windows 11 and how you can pause Windows updates and have more control over Windows updates. And they've already started to make changes on this. They've been good to their word on Copilot, starting to remove it from certain places like they said they would. And the taskbar is also going to be changed as well, and a bunch of other things that they've been covering on this blog. Now, just so you know, this feature isn't officially out yet. It's been in the testing phase right now, and it's hidden to most of the people. It's only certain people that are getting access to this, and some people are enabling it via the Vive tool, which allows you to enable these features so you can see it. As soon as I get that working, I will probably make an updated video showing you exactly how this all works and what to expect when it's released to the general public. And I, for one, think this is a good move from Microsoft and a good bit of news for people that do use Windows 11, because I do see some good potential in Windows 11. It is actually a good operating system once you remove all of the bloat and fluff that's been pre-installed into it. And hopefully, once they get on top of things, maybe they can just turn this ship around. We'll have to wait and see. It's still a long ways to go yet. But let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below, good or bad. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. I just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in a very next video, or I'll see you on the Discord server. The link is in the video description. Bye for now.